Hello, my name is Mrs. West-Mclinn, and I would like to welcome you to Open House. I started teaching in the Hilliard District in 1994, making this my 28th year of teaching. My content area is business education. This year, I am blessed to instruct the students in personal finance, college fundamentals, digital connections, business explorations, and entrepreneurship. My personal mission is to engage students, helping them to grow in their knowledge and abilities. In addition, I want students to understand that high school is just the beginning and that their education will continue long after they leave our four walls. I want students to be their best selves and positively impact the world around them. All of the content for my courses can be found on Canvas. The assignments are arranged in modules and identified with a lesson number. Students should work through the modules and lessons in sequential order. Parents are able to access Canvas to monitor their child's progress and home access to view grades. I always look for win-win solutions. With that in mind, I allow students to revise and resubmit work to improve their grades. Students just need to take advantage of the opportunity and work to make their submissions even better. I started the Bradley chapter of FBLA when opening in 2009. We have had many students participate in the state and national leadership conferences, serve on state officer teams, and one student serve as a national officer. The FBLA mission is to inspire and prepare students to become community-minded leaders in a global society through relevant career participation and leadership experiences. Please let me know if you have any questions about our chapter or if your student is interested in being part of our chapter. I'm excited to be a part of your child's education and see the growth they make this year. You may contact me via email if you have any questions. Thank you, and let's make it a good year.